Amazon is the 800-pound gorilla, and sometimes you need a zookeeper.
When they're asking for our help, we kind of, the first place we'll go is we'll look at their marketplace. We'll look at Amazon and we'll be like, your Amazon is completely mismanaged. Oh yeah, we do most of our business in Nordstrom. We're like, why? Like, like the 800-pound gorilla is Amazon.
Amazon's the largest sales platform in the world. So if any influencer of note that wants to make money and they're not using credit connections, or at least they're not trying to, it's pretty obvious. Amazon is the gorilla in the room.
They can be a tough nut, but in fact, they are the 800-pound gorilla, right?
They are.
So we're Amazon, and basically you do it our way, you don't do it at all, right? I mean, it's a monster of a company.
Yeah, we're big on that Shopify account, and that's grown significantly since last year too. So obviously I'm not paying anyone 15% as we are to Amazon, but Amazon's the big 800-pound gorilla, as you know.
How do I measure success is basically response time to resolution. I understand that a lot of this is out of your hands in some cases because Amazon is not the easiest 800-pound gorilla to get to do things that you wanted to do.
Things have not been going well. I mean, we started with 180 Commerce years ago, and I was doing it myself prior to that, and I was doing okay, but I ran into issues with Amazon of them being the bullheaded 800-pound gorilla, which is like, well, you violated one of our policies. Okay, well, what did I violate? Well, you have to figure that out.
We offer full service management, and we cover every one of these areas to grow your Amazon sales. When you're trying to increase your traffic on Amazon, there's usually two primary methods. That's pay-per-click advertising and search engine optimization.
Hi, I'm the founder of My Amazon Guy. My name is Stephen Pope, and we're a 400 brand agency. We manage about $1 billion on Amazon, and everything that we do is built to grow sales on Amazon. So if any of this interests you, please send us a note to sales@myamazonguy.com, or send me a DM on LinkedIn, or comment on a YouTube video. I'm here, ready to help. Talk to you soon.